Viral Science, the home of creativity.
So guys, now I will show you how the code for 7-segment display works. So here is the diagram of our 7-segment display. I am using a 1-digit 7-segment display. So here we have the LED pins, that is A, B, C, D, E, F and G, and this is the DP, that is dot pin. So here are all the pins. You can see this is A, B, C, D, E, F and G, and here is the DP pin. And here we have two common cathode pins, as we are using a common cathode 7-segment LED display. So now first of all I will show you what we have initialized. So this is the initialization part. We have declared A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and here are the Arduino board pins. We have set pin 10 of our Arduino board as the button pin to increment the values. So now I will directly show you how the condition works. So this is the condition part of our 7-segment LED display. So before going to conditions, I will show you how the digits are printed on this display. So this is the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. We are not going to print this dot in this example. So these are all the digits. So let's go to condition 1. Conditions for displaying displaying A. So to display this A LED, this is the topmost portion of this 7-segment display is the A. You can see here, this is the A. So we have a condition, that is digit not equals to 1 and digit not equals to 4. So if digit is not equals to 1, means A doesn't require, means 1 doesn't require A to be printed and 4 doesn't require A to be printed. Rest of all the digits require A to be printed. As you can see, 0 requires A, 2 requires A, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. These all digits require A to be printed, leaving 1 and 4. So we have condition digit not equals to 1 and digit not equals to 4, then set A as high. If it is 1 and 4, it will be low, and if it is not 1 and not 4, then the A will be high. Means for all the digits A will be high, leaving 1 and 4. So this is the second condition for B. So here is the B. So digit 5 and digit 6 doesn't require B. So the condition is if digit is not equals to 5 and not equals to 6, then set B as high. So if it is not equals to 5 and not equals to 6, means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8 and 9. For these digits B will be high. You can see here is the B. This is the B. You can see for all the digits. Similarly for C, here is the C. So I guess only number 2 doesn't require C to be printed. Rest of all the digits require C to be printed. You can see here is the C, 0, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. These all digits require C to be printed. So condition is digit not equals to 2, then set C is equal to high. Else if it is 2, then C will be low. So this is the condition for C. Then similarly we have conditions for D, E, F and G. So this is how the digits are printed on this 7-segment display. Similarly you can set for all the alphabets, that is A, B, C, D. So similarly you can make changes in this code and add the alphabets too. So this is it. Now you can compile the code, select the Arduino board port and upload the code to your Arduino board.
Do subscribe and press bell icon to get instant notification for new video.